Hello everyone, kumusta po ba mga kaibigan? I'm going on top of the rope to pick up some ripe pink guava. You know this pink guava is very sweet and as I have told you, pink guava is very rich in vitamin C and any kind of guava. And a lot of people also are asking if you can eat everything of the guava, including the seeds. And yes, it is true that you can eat it all because some others are telling me that eating the seeds of guava is not good because it will cause an appendix, but it's not true. As what I have heard from the doctor advice, it is better to eat everything. The most important is you have to wash it, rinse it well to remove the dirt. So there you are my friends, ayan po, napakarami po ng bunga na naman. And it's a little bit windy now because it's February, last week of February 2024. So there you are my friends, see there's lots of fruits. I'm going to select the ripe one, so we are going to make it as guava jelly or sweet guava jam. Masarap po yan mga kaibigan. We don't need to buy any more palaman kung tawagin para magamit natin sa ating mga sandwiches. So we have to make our own na lang. The ingredients is just the guava and brown sugar, and it's very easy. I'm going to teach you the easiest way to cook and the fastest way. In just 30 minutes you already have this pink guava jam. There you are, kinain na ng mga ibon, what's eaten by the birds. Because pink guava is really very sweet, and you know, every early in the morning the sounds of the birds are waking me up while I'm asleep because they keep on coming to my backyard garden to eat some ripe guava. So there's a lot of birds are flocking here because they know that there's a lot of fruits in my backyard. So there you are mga kaibigan, look at that. It's very rich in vitamin C. You know, during the pandemic time, I never got injected by the COVID injection. Hindi po ako nagpaturok because I know to myself that I am very strong because I eat a lot of malunggay, eat a lot of fruits, balimbing and guava, and of course I drink guava tea, avocado tea, guayabano tea, and malunggay tea. Instead of drinking coffee, you can use everything of this kind of leaves. So there you are, leftover of the panike or the bat. During night times, there's a lot of bat here in my backyard eating the ripe guava. So there you are my friend. As I have told you before, vitamin C is you can find it here in guava. Hindi po kayo magkakasipon. Your immune system will be very strong. And this kind of fruits give us good benefits, health benefits to our body. Mga kaibigan, magpapalakas po yan. This is my breakfast. Every time I wake up in the morning, I look up at the guava tree, and if I find ripe one, I'm going to get it and eat it. And some are telling me that eating guava with an empty stomach is not good, but for me, I'm not acidic. So if you're not acidic, you can eat it. If you wake up in the morning, 1 glass of water and then the fruits, the fresh one. So ayan po mga kaibigan, you know, guava, it's health a lot. We can make it also a juice. Guava juice, napakasarap po niya mga kaibigan, more nutritious, full of vitamins, with good health benefits to our body mga kaibigan. So ayan na po mga kaibigan, ang dami na po natin nakitas na mga ripe guava. Tsaga-tsaga lang talaga, you know, I planted this almost 3 years I think, almost 3 years na. Ayan, marami na po tayong nakitas. So ayan, nakapag-harvest na. Akala ko hindi ko mabubuhay dahil napakapayat po ang puno nito, parang walis tingting lamang po. Tagal, tinadi ko, pinumport ko, talagang pinunotiktahan ko siya para lumaki lamang po. Kasi pataas lang po siya ng pataas, hindi siya nagkakaroon ng branches, parang walis tingting, diretsong-diretso, para bang bamboo shoot. So there you are, ayan na po ang ating mga napitas mga kaibigan. Ang dami po, so hugasan po natin yan, and then babalatan po natin yan dahil yan ang ating gagamitin sa ating guava jam or guava jelly. So we're going to remove the skin, and while I'm peeling the skin of the guava, I'm eating also. You know, if you eat the skin of the banana, the guava, it is very nice, very healthy, very rich in vitamin C, at saka alam nyo po, it will make your skin smooth and clear. Malasot lang yung kutis, magiging makinis, magiging fair complexion po pagkain kayo ng kain ng mga fresh fruits, lalo na ang bayabas, mga kaibigan. So ganyan po karaming kinakain ko. Ayan pink na pink at napaka-sweet, very juicy, mga kaibigan. Very nice to eat. Sometimes binubudburan ko lamang po siya ng iodized salt. So ang sarap po niya kainin, mga kaibigan. Ganun din ang mga dahon niya. Kung may masakit ang tiyan, nag-LBM po kayo, pakulo lang po kayo ng dahon ng bayabas. Maganda po siyang gamot. You don't need to buy drugs with side effect pa sa inyong kidney. Unlike itong mga herbal, wala pong mga side effect yan. So ayan po, mga kaibigan, tara, kain po tayo. Ayan po ang aking mga napitas na guava. At habang nagbabalat po tayo, yun ang kakainin ko. So ayan na po ang aking mga nabalatan. Look at that, mga kaibigan. But we have to remove also the seeds because the seeds are not included in cooking guava jam or guava jelly. So alisin po natin yung buto, pero wag po natin itapon dahil po yan ang ating gagamitin naman na pinaka-juice. Katasin po natin yan, talagyan ng tubig para makuha yung katas at ihahalo natin dun sa ating guava jelly. At ang mga balat naman po ng bayabas, yung skin, lalagay po natin sa mga halaman upang magsilbing pataba. So ayan na po, mga kaibigan, tinanggalan na po ng mga seeds. So I'm going to slice it instead of using the blender because I feel lazy to clean the blender. But it's very easy if you clean the blender and it will become very firm. Pero mas gusto ko po yung ini-slice lang, iniwa-hiwa para meron pa po tayo makakagat na may maiiwan pa po ng mga guava skin. So there you are. Ayan na po, papakuluan na natin. And then we are going to put on the strainer the seeds of the guava and put water para makakuha po natin yung juice at saka yung kanyang aroma. So sasalain lamang po natin para hindi umalo yung buto. At habang sinasala natin, papakuluin na po natin ang ating guava skin para maging guava jelly o guava jam. Napakadali lang po itong pinaka-the best way. Marami pong methods, marami pong procedure ng paggawa ng guava jam or guava jelly, but for me this is the easiest way. In just 30 minutes, okay na po siya. So ayan na po, mga kaibigan, kumukulo na. Antayin lamang po natin na medyo matuyo-tuyo ng kaunti yung tubig para lalagay na po natin yung brown sugar. So halo lang po ng halo so that hindi po siya matutuyo. Little bit of squeezing it para medyo madurog-durog ng konti. At ayun na nga po, habang kumukulo siya, haluin lang namang nahaluin. So hindi na natin kailangan bumili ng palaman. Nowadays, prices are going up almost every day. So kailangan mag-effort tayo gumawa ng mga paraan para makatipid. So hindi na po natin kailangan bumili. Makakamatipid na tayo, makakamura. Magtanim lamang po if you have a space in your backyard garden. Why not plant vegetable, plant root crops or fruit trees, so you will not need to buy anymore. Especially vegetable also are getting very expensive. At dito naman po sa atin ay tropical country. Itanim natin sa mga paso, sa mga nasisira ng mga palanggana or plastic pail, mabubuhay po yan. Madali po magbuhay ng halaman. So ayan na po, ilalagay na natin ang wash sugar. I run out of brown sugar, kaya ang ginamit ko ay wash sugar na lamang po. So ganyan lang po kadali, mga kaibigan, napakabilis maggawa ng guava or jelly jam. Napakasarap po niyan. So patutuyuin lamang po natin, halo lang ng halo. You can smell the aroma, the sweet aroma. Ang bango-bango po niya. So ayan po, mga kaibigan. Kunting minuto na lamang po, okay na po siya. Matatapos na po ang ating guava jelly. So napakadali lang po. This is the easiest way procedure of making guava jelly. So, ayan na po. There you are. Ang bango-bango po ng amoy mga kaibigan. At alam nyo po, pwede rin pong itong gulayin. Lalagyan po natin ng gata. Ihiwain. Same procedure. Iaalisin natin yung mga buto. We have to remove the seeds. And then we are going to saute the skin to onion and garlic. And then we are going to put the coconut milk. And then sugar. So it's a very nice ulam sa ating pagkain o pagkain ng pwede rin merienda mga kaibigan. Kasi masarap po siya, very sweet and very nice, very tasty, very delicious. So there you are, ayan na po. Natuyo na po mga kaibigan. So hanguin na po natin siya. Ready na po. Papalamigin lamang po natin. Bayaan natin lumamig at malapit na po siya. At ilalagay po natin yan sa garapon and then lalagay na sa rep. So napakadali lang po ang paggawa. So there you are. Look at that. See? Very easy my friend. So haluin lang upang hindi po dumikit, hindi po magtutong. Mix lang ng mix and squeeze a little bit. Squeezing it. Para medyo madurog-durog pa ng kaunti. So ayan na po. Okay na po ang ating palaman mga kaibigan. So libre na po tayo ng palaman. At ilang araw natin magagamit to sa ating everyday na breakfast with bread. O kaya palaman sa pandesal mga kaibigan. O kaya pang dessert after eating. Panghimagas. Ika nga kung tawagin sa mga Pilipino. Maganda po yung panghimagas. So ayan na po. Papalamigin natin. At pag lumamig po siya, we can put it into a jar so that we can put it in the refrigerator. And then every morning, we already have palaman for our sandwiches. O kaya dessert after meals. So masarap po yan mga kaibigan. Napakasarap. See, madali lang po. 30 minutes. You save a lot of time, you save a lot of money. Kasi sugar lang naman ang ginamit. So ayan na po. Nasa loob na ng jar. Papalamigin na po natin yan sa rep. So meron na tayong palaman for everyday use. Napakadali mga kaibigan. Mag-import lang. Kunting tiyaga lang. At talaga namang madali ang gumawa ng paraan. Makatulong na tayo sa ating pang-araw-araw na gastusin mga kaibigan. So ayan, libre na po ng palaman. Isang jar na sweet guava jam. See? Napakasarap po niyan mga kaibigan. Look at that. So ayan na po ang ating mga sandwiches. Papalaman na natin. Oh, there you are. Tingnan nyo. Magsawa ka. You can put a lot. It depends to your taste. So napakasarap po niyan. Ang sarap kainin, ang sarap baunin sa school or sa trabaho, pang merienda, pang almusal, pang snack. So ayan na po. Parisa na lang natin ng coffee or herbal tea. So there you are my friend. Again, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And you can comment. Marami pong salamat. Hanggang sa muli mga kaibigan. Hanggang sa mga susunod natin mga vlog. Lagi nyo pong subaybayan ang aking mga vlog, Maga Explore PH. Gagawa pa po tayo ng marami pang mga iba-vlog natin na samot-sari mga kaibigan, makakatulong dito sa ating Maga Explore PH na YouTube channel. So there you are my friends. Again, bye-bye. Take care. God bless and keep safe everyone. Bye-bye-bye.